Good morning and welcome to a very sunny day in Lincoln. We travelled 300 miles yesterday to get to Lincoln town centre. We woke up to this lovely city. We've come to Lincoln to attend the annual Steampunk festival, which is one of the largest festivals of its type in Europe, if not the world. I must say, from what we've seen so far, the city is absolutely beautiful. We arrived at 12:30 last night, so wasn't quite sure what to expect. To waking up this morning to this very, very peaceful city and a glorious day.
Well, the peace of the city was soon to be replaced with the throng of the Steampunk festival.
Okay, tell us all about your gun then.
Well, I bought it in Whitby in February. It was just a piece of wood and one pipe on it, and the first thing I put on was a magnifying glass. I had another one over the side, but that didn't do very well because I kept catching it, so I took that up and I put it onto a gauge. I bought all my bits and pieces from car boots, some stuff off eBay, charity shops, anything really. I'll have it, yeah? No, have you been down there, Steve, around that market just ahead of you?
Oh, the way, yeah. I didn't want anything too heavy on mine because it's. It's carrying it round.
It is heavy, but I don't know.
But mine's only plastic.
The festival seemed to have taken over most of the city centre. However, main activities were in the grounds of the castle. As you can see here, we're going through the gate and into the main courtyard where all the various stalls and displays were available.
I'm from Dartford. I'm part of the London Tentacle Steampunks, as well as the Cthulhu Party, and the Ministry, the Martial Expeditionary Force, as a nurse, and various other groups as well. It's fun to join in.
So you come to a lot of events like this?
Yes, I do.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It's so fun, the creativity.
How long have you been into steampunk?
I was trying to work this out the other day. I think my first ASYLUM was, in 2015. And I've been to one other steampunk event before then, and I was kind of instantly hooked. There's just lovely people, creativity, there's art and story writing and crafting and so many fun things.
Amazing venue there here in
Lincoln is so beautiful. It's just a gorgeous backdrop. Lovely cobbled streets, castle, all the old buildings, no better place.
The song they put on during the year.
This was our very first steampunk event and wasn't quite sure what it was all about. We found it to be anything to everyone, just lovely people doing their own thing and having lots of fun. And travelling from all over the world, we found.
Luxembourg.
Luxembourg?
Yes.
Oh yes. Oh, did I speak to you earlier? Sorry.
Exactly, you did.
I was in a hurry.
It's no problem.
You're having a nice time here?
We have. Oh
Really
yes,
good.
we do. We do.
Do you go to many festivals?
No. It depends. We go to some in Belgium
And
to some in Belgium or so. Yeah, nearby. Then we go.
I've
Yeah,
seen
Germany we
YouTube
also
of
go
Germany. They seem to have some very good.
Yes, yeah, they do have. But also apparently in the Netherlands, they also have some great ones. And we then do go now also in December. There is a very beautiful Christmas event also in Germany.
Steampunk.
And Steampunk.
Oh, wow.
Yes, yes, yes.
Say hi, everybody! Such a good-looking crowd. Okay, everybody who has the ability and needs, don't worry if you have got mobility issues or an outfit that does not allow this, but if you are able to, get low down. God, I haven't done this for ages. It's a time like this you really sort of become aware of the sort of median age of a steampunk. Everybody over 35 going, dear God, why? Okay. One last little number to celebrate steampunk in all its glory. Jump, 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 jump! Jump, 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 jump! Under a tunnel and factory grind, covered in soot and factory grind. All of the groups at the back of the line, we are the future in factory line. Gleaming machinery seem to be reckoned with, every single member an excellent specimen seen with a seamstress. Because the people need this. We're nearly there. Like we take care of our facial hair. Pirates, ladies, vagrants, feet. Welcome on and all to the age of steam. Pirates, ladies, vagrants, fiends. Welcome on and all to the age of steam. Every word of verse. Under a tunnel and back in time, covered in soot and factory grime. All other groups to the back of the line. We are the future in factory line. Gleaming machinery seem to be reckoned with, every single member an excellent specimen seen with a seamstress. Because the people need this. See, we're taking care of our crew like we do our facial hair. Made aware, making improvement according to steam. It's more like a movement, more of an era, clearing the air. Taking over, nearly there. Pirates, ladies, vagrants, fiends. Welcome on and all to the age of steam. Thank you. I shall be playing at the engine rooms tomorrow night. You have been lovely. Come and hang out with me over there. Goodbye.
I'm originally from South Africa, but I'm now living in Berlin. So that's why I'm with the German flag, because I'm here from Germany.
Must be very pleased to have won the competition.
I can't actually believe it. I entered it for fun. Because why not?
Oh, it's great. It's lovely.
So, yes, going with the flow.
And apparently Berlin has got some very big steampunk.
They have, but not so much in Berlin. It's near Cologne, near the Dutch border. There's a lot that happens there. And because I only arrived 3 years ago, just in time for COVID, I didn't actually get to participate in anything, and it's only just now opening up. So, let's do.
How does this compare with the festivals in Germany?
This is big. This is really big. They do one day.
It's the biggest in the world. Right?
Yes, no, it is. The 4 days, the whole town. It's like, I mean, they do have, like, it's spectacular, but it's not as big. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Enjoy your time here.
Thank you.
My name is Greg McNeil. I'm a wet plate collodion photographer, and we're making authentic Victorian tintypes here at the Asylum in Lincoln. We started coming to the Asylum in 2017, and we've been coming back every year it's been on.
So with your accent, you're clearly not a local.
No, I'm from a bit farther west. I'm from Michigan in the United States, and I moved here about 12. I moved to the UK about 12 years ago. 13 years ago, actually, and I live in Falkirk in Scotland.
Oh wow! And could you just explain the process that you go through here with camera.
Here at Darkbox Images, we do we have what we call the authentic Victorian tintype experience. We're making authentic Victorian tintypes using the same chemistry and techniques the Victorians used in the 1850s. We take our sitters through the process step by step from the start to the finish. So the plate that we pour at the beginning is the plate that they take home with them at the end. When I'm in the darkroom back here, I even have a live video feed to a monitor so they can see every step of the process along the way.
That's a fabulous setup, by the way.
With your
Thank
back
you.
as well.
Really good.
Yeah,
Oh, you've got
well,
a GoPro on there as well, is it?
I was on.
Yeah.
Well, I did
Nice.
Getting everything, including souls.
to do that.
Sucks them in. You look great. It's very mysterious.
Thank you very much.
Do you come to these sort of events very often?
Enjoy. I know
I
you
do
will.
indeed.
You do?
Yes. I've been coming here for a long time.
Oh, right. Where are you from?
We're actually since I was a small youngling.
She was influenced by this lady.
I was indeed.
I can see she's a
terrible influence.
They caught me, put me in handcuffs, said I shouldn't be doing the job properly because I keep drinking too much.
So did you work in the castle?
Yes, I was the head warder in there.
Were you really?
Yeah, Mr. William Cook, sir, head warder, but they said I wasn't qualified to do it because I kept beating people up too much.
Did they get you now?
They
Like
got
your,
me,
shackles?
They said I'm impersonating the warder. I wish they stopped doing that.
That's lovely.
Only trouble is, they're not very good at their job.
Come on, stop hogging the dragon, please. There's a queue here. Come on, move along.
Thanks.
It's 1931, Morris Minor. It's 91 years old. It was a bread van in Oxfordshire. Started this life.
It's been in your keep for a long time?
And for about 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah.
Lovely condition there.
Thank you very much.
And tax and MOT exempt, I no doubt.
That's right.
Tax exempt, yeah. I'd love to see, the noddy and everything for the kids. It's
Yeah,
good.
trying to entertain the little ones. You know, they enjoy it.
Yeah.
Signing the names on the board, having a bit of fun with it.
Where are you from?
Lincoln, local. lad.
You're local. Oh, that's handy then.
Yeah. Just try to, join in with everybody locally. And
How long have you been involved in steampunks?
this is the second year with the van life. So, yeah, it's got a lot of potential, Lincoln. I don't think they use enough of it. They don't promote it.
Love the outfit. Looks good. Some head and shoulder shot. Steampunk.
Oh God, I'll show you. Why did I get into steampunk? Whitby Golf Weekend.
Whitby Golf?
Golf.
Golf.
I used to go to Whitby Golf Weekend.
Oh, that's great.
Came first, Star Wars or steampunk?
For me, I think the Stormtrooper, the Star Wars steampunk Stormtrooper was the first, sort of the first idea when I first encountered steampunk.
Do you make it yourself?
This is, yes.
Oh wow!
Yeah, this is one of the
quality stuff.
One of the first endeavours into working with leather. Really, it's sort of in at the deep end.
Really, you must have a very strong machine to go through that. No?
Oh, it's all hand stitched.
Hand stitched?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, can you tell me who you are and what you do here?
I'm the bear lady and this is the Rev.
And I'm a real Rev.
He is a real clergyman. But basically we're street bears. I've been a bear artist for the last 30 years and I design and I make all of these.
And you crochet things?
Yeah.
It's all handmade.
The whole bear is my design. It's actually, show this one. They're proper bears underneath. quite a cute little face. And they wanted to be Cthulhu bears. So it's actually hand dyed.
Some of these races may have minds of their own, but they run on lots of encouragement, in applause and cheering.
Okay, and can I ask who you are?
So we are Leah Narula Handmade, although my other half is currently browsing elsewhere.
Right. This is it, you bronze your helmet?
Yes, or goggle inserts.
Right.
So obviously, yes.
Oh, do you do 3D printers?
I do indeed.
The flag is down. We have front runners. He's going the right way. We have the blue one out in front. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? We have the Harlequin bicycle pedal by Poison Ivy. And we have the red machine and the headlight machine. And we have our youngest competitors today, Pedal, and the Coffin Dodger. And here we have the umbrella. Hello, have you got any ice cream? Okay. And the musical handbag. Oh, and the sweetie man. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, I think you're going to be lapped. Felix in the red machine and oh, we have Dragon Power back here. Oh yeah, he's making a cup of tea. And our little pedal powers, come on pirates, keep going.
It's still connected. I need it to go with the right one.
And here comes the Coffin Dodger and the cocktail machine. Oh, we have picked up Baby Grogu who's going for a little ride. Okay, this is getting exciting. We're getting there, yes. It's not about the race, it's about the end of the journey and the experience.
We just say every time we see you, we don't recognise you.
It's the hair. It's quite funny.
Get her with the handbag. Right. Amazing. You all turned up. You were magnificent. The MOS have done a sterling job again. 3 cheers for the Minister of Steampunk. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Right. From here. Go away.
We hope you enjoyed this short programme, and we will leave you with a lot more of the images of the fantastic turnout of these lovely people and their world of steampunk. Thank you.
Thank you.